Someone got a new watch, huh?
Wait till I eat.
Where is it? No,
No, just a second.
that's not it.
Just a second.
It's at your man purse.
This is
Nice man purse. Yeah. What is this? Huh? Is this a... It has a long fucking name. This is the GLC. That is Jaeger LeCoultre. Is it master or something?
master compressor, but it's world famous or something.
World Extreme Chronograph
Extreme.
Master Compressor, aka huge chunk of steel. This is, you need a license to carry this one. Someone's got a new watch.
Yeah,
So what is it?
it's GLC Extreme World Time, no, Extreme World Chronograph, something like that. It's really complicated. It's a super compressor, and it's incredibly large. It's.
So what did you got it?
Say again?
Why you got it?
I liked it. Actually, I liked it. It doesn't look so nice without. When you put it on a table, or when you look at it like this. But when you put it on your hand, it's actually nice. It's nice, but it's incredibly big.
But you do have a normal watch on your wrist also.
Yeah. And look at the difference. It's incredibly big. It's enormous. It's fucking too big. But
you need the license to carry that, so
yeah, license to carry arms. But it's so complicated. It's over engineered. It has so many functions, and it's pretty cool watch. And I like to trade, and I like to trade up. So I gave a lot of small watches, all vintage watches. For this one, actually, I gave
and a
Cellini, actually a few cool Omegas, and the one IWC, but vintage winder, nothing special, but it's a cool watch. And I gave a lot of watches for this one, so I traded up. And maybe when a nice Rolex pops up or anything I like, I just give this one.
Yeah.
But if a Rolex pops up and you give a lot of Omegas, IWC and Rolex Cellini, and if any dealer will say, are you joking with me?
it's a freaking enormous watch. Check
Yeah,
this
but
out.
it has so many functions.
46 and a
I
half.
think 46, but it's a pretty cool design. So the lugs are a bit on the downside, so you can wear it on a small wrist actually. But it's big anyway. It's really big. If you have a yacht or something, you just put it on your hand, and
It's a good anchor.
yeah, good anchor. But maybe you shouldn't swim with it. It's it's too big. But actually, it's not that heavy. It doesn't feel so big on the wrist because of that complicated design. It has a inside case of a titanium and outside case of a stainless steel, and it's pretty wearable. It's not that awful. It's not that awful, but it's not a dress watch, but it's not that awful.
I think you're making excuses. You gotta watch.
Because I like it. If I didn't like it, I would just give it away.
Don't make excuses. Just tell them to fuck off.
You fuck off.
Yeah.
It's really cool watch.
It's
really
a cool. It's a cool watch,
It's
but
a cool watch.
it's big.
It's too big, and it's, I don't know. I will see. Can I live with it? But for now, I think I can. This is the first day with this watch. I think I can live with it, especially whenever it's like this. And I hide this one and get this one. But
So you're
it's a cool watch.
embarrassed of his own watch.
Kind of, because it attracts too much attention, and I don't like that.
You should deny it.
But I'm a bit embarrassed. I admit it.
I would deny it.
You are an asshole. I'm a bit embarrassed, but it's. I feel like a guy who wears oversized Breitling bling bling.
And he does have a small wrist.
Really small, like ladies' wrist. But this watch is too big, but it's not a bling bling. It's not a bling bling watch like some big Breitling Chronograph steel gold. It's not a bling bling. Everybody would say it's a big watch. Nobody would say it's a big GLC or it's a big Breitling. It's a big Rolex, because almost nobody knows